Hi, in this video, I'll show two quick ways to turn a PDF into an editable Word document and a simple tip if your PDF has a complicated layout. Let's jump in. First, the easiest way is right from Word. Let's open the Word. I have a PDF on my desktop, so I just drag it onto the Word home screen. You'll see a message that says Word will convert the file into an editable document. Click OK, and the PDF opens in Word. From there, you can click into the text and start editing right away. If you prefer using the menu, go to File, click Open, and find your PDF where you saved it. That opens the same way and lets you work in Word. When you're done and want to save it back as a PDF, go to File, choose Export. Pick PDF.cps document, give the file a name, and click Publish. If your PDF has large tables, columns, or lots of special formatting, Word sometimes changes the layout. For those complex files, I usually use Adobe's online converter. Go to the official Adobe Acrobat free PDF to Word converter by searching it on Google. Click Select a file, upload the PDF, and they'll convert it on their server. Then download the DDocs file. You might need to sign in or make a free Adobe account to finish the download, but the results are usually better for complex layouts. Those are the quick options: Word for fast edits and Adobe for tricky format. If this saved you from retyping a long document, please give the video a like and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.